Hey guys, John J here from Xpressions. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first video in my Pandora Catalog entry. What I want to do is, if you want to know more information, I would suggest that you read the description box, because I don't want this video to be very long. But pretty much what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start giving you guys ultra close-ups of my existing charm collection. So that if you guys ever buy these charms online through Facebook or eBay and you have questions regarding the authenticity, where the hallmarks are, etc., you can hopefully revert to my videos for any answers to questions you guys might have. So, brief description of this charm. Feather charm from Pandora. If I could just focus, that would be excellent. As you can see, the hallmark here. Very prevalent and obvious, S925ALE. Now this charm came out in 2011. It originally retailed for $40. And it left the collection in 2014. So again, this is just very quick videos so you guys can see the details of each charm. Ultra close-up so you guys can see the details. In case you have questions as to whether it's authentic, that maybe the charm that you bought or wanting to buy is authentic, you can revert back to my videos so you guys can see. And again, I'll try my very best to, dot the videos with tidbits of information, so that you guys can authenticate your charms. See you guys in the next video. Bye.